In this guide, we'll show you how to move contacts from one Android phone to another. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you've recently gotten a new Android phone and want to transfer your contacts, here's how to do it. First, ensure that you have the Google Contacts app installed on your new device. You can download it from the Play Store, or it might already be pre-installed on your phone. Once the app is open, go to the top right corner and tap your profile icon. From there, select Contact Settings. In this section, tap Google Contacts Sync Settings, and then choose your Google account. Next, ensure that the sync status is turned on for Google Contacts. You can also sync contacts stored directly on your device by enabling that option. Make sure everything is set up properly. Now, take your other Android device and open the Google Contacts app. If it's not already installed, download it from the Play Store. Once opened, tap the profile icon in the top right corner and verify that the same Google account is selected. Go to Contact Settings and tap on Google Contacts Sync Settings. Make sure the sync is enabled by checking the status and toggle it on if necessary. You can also manually initiate the sync by pressing Start Sync. That's it. Your contacts should now be transferred and available on your new device. If this tutorial was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this.